How to share an Instagram post in your story. Did you know it was possible to share an Instagram post in your story to start off with? I hadn't realised this until I came across this today in a blog that I was reading from Sue B. Zimmerman. Sue B. Zimmerman is someone that I follow on Instagram. She's also known as the Instagram expert. So what you need to do if you want to actually share a post in your story is go to the post in your Instagram feed, and at the bottom of that post you'll see an aeroplane icon in the lower left. Click on that aeroplane icon to add to the story in your post. The first option that shows is the blue one in text that says add post to your story. Now you can just adjust the photo to fit with your story's theme using your fingers and add any elements that you want. So in this particular example I've added a location and I've added just a hashtag, but you can put animated GIFs in if you wish to that, and you could also put in a call to action. So it's quite simple to do, just need to check that it goes in with the theme that you would like to use in your Instagram stories. So that's just one simple way in how to repurpose Instagram posts. Click to share the post with your story. When you go back to your main feed, you will see a red ring around your profile picture. This will show that you have a new story to share. If your story is one you'd like to keep, you can add it to a highlight. Just click on the story, choose Add to Highlight, and then choose which highlight you want to add it to or create a new highlight. Hope you're having a great day. Subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks.